Ok, vamos a ver qué más. You open that one.
The big, huge one.
Ah, lo compró hace 6 meses. ¿Por qué?
And how do
Pero si
I
no se
open it?
equivocó.
Oh,
Mami, cuidado. Ven acá.
okay.
Oh, ¿será que será para los niños de Julia? No sé, porque ya no puso tarjetita ahí. Tampoco, igualito, está más grande.
Sí. Uno,
And I
What is that?
already have a Barbie.
dos,
Yeah?
I
Yeah?
just brought Slim Rider, but not Rapunzel, and
What is that?
now I have two Barbies.
Yeah? And it has 2 dresses.
Yes.
Whoa.
This two,
Yeah.
and what is this thing?
That's to put the dress on, baby.
Oh,
So you can take it off of her and put it there.
Oh.
See?
So she had
Whoa.
dresses and total.
you gotta be kidding me.
¿De quién es? No sé por qué lo habrá comprado. Yo le pregunto.
Please. I have a list on my cancer.
A ver, Where's the big one?
Yeah.
Get the big one.
You wanna open this one?
All right.
And